Hey guys, back with another video. Today we're gonna try to look like someone else on Roblox. For this you're gonna need two tabs. If you're in the background stuff, that's my brother playing the PS4 in Fortnite. So you go to the account you want to look like. So you right click on Builder Mat or the profile picture of the person that you want to get. Now right here, awkward silence. Okay. Right click and it has HTML.
Guys, I got a golden scar!
I'll copy all of this. Then you have to exit the thing there.
Guys, I got golden
Then you
scar!
go back to your page, and then you click inspect on your picture. And then you're going to need to click edit as HTML on your element here. And then you're going to delete all of that. And click Control V and paste the person that you want to look like there. There you go. Now inspect on your name and change your name to the person that you want to look like. There you go. And then you have to get this top part, inspect.
Hey guys, if you have Fortnite, like, oh guys, I found the person!
So right here, you're going to have to put it to the person you want to look like again. Guys, hashtag down below, fart the scammers to death, or whatever. Then you right click on the Roblox thing. I could have used an alternate account for this or whatever. So you right click where it says Roblox, and then you write the amount the builder man might have. I'm gonna write 3B plus whatever, 3 billion. And then right down here you have to right click on that. And then right here where it says 0 Robux, change that to 3999003, whatever it is. And then you close that tab. And now now you have to delete the friends right here. Inspect. Come on. You guys might get it, but you have to delete the whole entire thing here. For that, I don't know if this is gonna work if you inspect the Builders Club thing. And then you copy all of this and then you paste it where your username is or whatever. Let me try. and I think you right click here. You guys might get the point, but you probably have to paste it right next to your name or whatever, I don't know. And then it'll say OBC or whatever. I don't know if that will work probably. But you can prank your friends with this. It's really easy. And I think that's all for today, guys. If you guys still don't know how to do it, just comment down below. If you're new to this, and if you're new to this channel, just subscribe. And like every single video. Okay, guys. Bye.